Egg whites for tightening skin. One of Grandma's classic beauty secrets involves using egg whites to tighten skin. Egg whites are rich in proteins and can temporarily firm and tone your skin. To create this natural face mask, whisk an egg white until frothy and apply a thin layer to clean skin. Let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes until your skin feels tight, then rinse off with warm water. This simple, old-fashioned remedy helps shrink pores and leaves your face feeling refreshed and smoother. Rose water as a toner. Rose water has been used for centuries as a natural toner to refresh and hydrate the skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness, calm irritation, and balance the skin's pH levels. After cleansing your face, simply apply rose water to a cotton pad and gently swipe it over your skin. This natural toner tightens pores, leaving your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. Plus, it has a light, pleasant fragrance that makes your skincare routine feel extra luxurious. Lemon juice for skin lightening. Lemon juice is a natural remedy for lightening dark spots and evening skin tone. Its high vitamin C content acts as a gentle bleaching agent, reducing hyperpigmentation over time. To use, apply freshly squeezed lemon juice to problem areas with a cotton pad. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Regular use can help fade blemishes and dark spots, but be cautious. Always apply sunscreen afterward, as lemon juice can make skin sensitive to sunlight. Cold cream for everything. Cold cream has been a go-to multi-purpose beauty product for decades. It cleanses, hydrates, and removes makeup, all while leaving the skin soft and smooth. Apply a generous amount to your face, massaging it in to dissolve dirt and makeup. Wipe away with a warm cloth for clean, moisturized skin. It's especially great for dry skin, working as an all-in-one cleanser and moisturizer that keeps your face glowing and hydrated without harsh chemicals. Cucumber slices for puffy eyes. Cucumber slices are a time-tested solution for reducing puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. The high water content and cooling properties of cucumbers soothe tired skin, reducing swelling and inflammation. Simply place chilled cucumber slices over your closed eyes and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. The cooling effect helps constrict blood vessels, which minimizes puffiness and leaves your eyes looking refreshed. It's an easy, natural way to rejuvenate tired eyes and brighten your appearance. Mix red and orange lipstick for a coral shade. Want a custom coral lipstick? Mix red and orange lipsticks to create the perfect shade. Start by applying a layer of red lipstick, then blend a touch of orange on top. Use a lip brush or your finger to mix the two shades until you achieve the desired coral tone. This easy hack allows you to customize your look without needing to buy a new lipstick. The result is a vibrant, summery shade perfect for any occasion. Cold tea bags for dark circles. Cold tea bags are an effective and natural remedy for dark circles and tired eyes. The caffeine in tea helps constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and discoloration. After brewing your tea, place the used tea bags in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to cool. Once cold, lay them over your closed eyes for about 10 minutes. The antioxidants and tannins in tea also help brighten the skin around the eyes, leaving you looking refreshed and revitalized. Butter as a moisturizer. Butter, particularly unsalted butter, can be used as a rich, natural moisturizer for dry skin. Its high fat content helps to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. To use, simply warm a small amount of butter in your hands and massage it into areas prone to dryness, such as elbows, knees, or feet. The vitamins and fats in butter lock in moisture, making it an effective, old-fashioned remedy for dry, cracked skin. Apply Vaseline before perfume. Want your perfume to last longer? Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your pulse points before spraying your fragrance. The Vaseline acts as a moisturizer, helping to lock in the scent and slow down its evaporation. Simply dab a bit on areas like your wrists, neck, or behind your ears, then spray your perfume as usual. Vaseline for eyebrow grooming. Vaseline is an easy and effective tool for taming and grooming unruly eyebrows. Its thick consistency holds the brows in place while adding a subtle shine. Simply apply a small amount of Vaseline onto a clean spoolie or finger, then gently brush your brows into shape. This not only keeps them neat, but also helps moisturize the hair, promoting healthy brow growth. Apply foundation, then remove excess with witch hazel. For a flawless finish, apply your foundation as usual, then use witch hazel to remove any excess. After applying the foundation, lightly dampen a cotton pad with witch hazel and gently sweep it over your face. This helps tone down any cakey spots and gives your skin a natural, blended appearance. Witch hazel also tightens pores, leaving you with a smooth, even complexion while keeping your makeup looking fresh and light. Honey as a natural face mask. Honey is a powerful, natural face mask that deeply hydrates and soothes the skin. Rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties, honey helps to moisturize while clearing out impurities. To use, apply a thin layer of raw honey to clean skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water to reveal softer, glowing skin. It's especially effective for dry or sensitive skin, offering a gentle, all-natural glow without the use of harsh chemicals. Olive oil for shiny hair. Olive oil is a timeless beauty hack for achieving shiny, healthy hair. Its nourishing properties penetrate deeply to moisturize and strengthen the hair, leaving it soft and lustrous. Warm a small amount of olive oil in your hands and apply it to your hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing and shampooing. This treatment adds shine and helps repair damage, making your hair look sleek and radiant without any added chemicals. Sleep on silk. Sleeping on a silk pillowcase is an age-old beauty hack that helps improve both skin and hair health. Silk's smooth texture reduces friction, preventing hair breakage and frizz, while also being gentler on your skin, reducing sleep lines and wrinkles. The material also retains less moisture than cotton, keeping your skin hydrated overnight. For those with sensitive skin or hair, silk pillowcases are a luxurious yet simple way to wake up with smoother hair and a fresher complexion. Potato slices to reduce dark spots. Did you know that potato slices can be a natural and gentle remedy for reducing dark spots? Rich in vitamin C and enzymes, potatoes can help lighten hyperpigmentation over time. Slice a fresh potato thinly and apply directly to the areas with dark spots. Let the slices sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing your face with cool water. Use this method regularly to see gradual improvements in your skin tone. For added effectiveness, try rubbing the potato slice directly on the skin before placing it. Witch hazel for acne. Witch hazel is an excellent natural remedy for acne thanks to its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. After cleansing, apply witch hazel to a cotton pad and gently dab it onto breakout-prone areas. It tightens pores, reduces redness, and controls oil without causing dryness. Use this regularly as part of your skincare routine to manage acne and maintain clearer skin. For sensitive skin, opt for alcohol-free witch hazel to avoid irritation while still reaping the benefits. Put castor oil on eyelashes. Castor oil is a natural remedy for promoting longer, fuller lashes. Rich in fatty acids and nutrients, it nourishes the hair follicles, encouraging growth. To apply, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab in castor oil and gently coat your lashes from root to tip before bed. Be careful to avoid getting the oil in your eyes. Over time, regular application can help strengthen and thicken your lashes, giving them a healthier, more voluminous appearance. Cornstarch as a dry shampoo. Cornstarch offers a quick solution for absorbing excess oil in your hair, acting as a natural dry shampoo. Sprinkle a small amount of cornstarch directly onto your roots, massage it in and brush it through. The cornstarch absorbs oil, leaving your hair fresh and clean between washes. This method is perfect for busy mornings or when you want to extend your hairstyle. For darker hair, mix cornstarch with a bit of cocoa powder to prevent a white residue. Liquid fabric softener for hair. Liquid fabric softener can be used as an alternative to conditioner, especially during cold, dry winters when hair tends to be more frizzy and dry. Apply a small amount of fabric softener to your hair after shampooing, just like you would with conditioner. Let it sit for a few minutes to soften and detangle your hair. The softening agents in fabric softener help smooth out frizz and leave hair feeling silky. Be sure to rinse thoroughly to avoid buildup. Beers as a hair rinse for shine. Using beer as a hair rinse is an effective way to add shine and volume to dull hair. The proteins and vitamins in beer nourish and strengthen hair strands. After shampooing, pour a cup of flat beer over your hair, massage it in, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with cold water. This simple rinse boosts shine and softness. For best results, use a sulfate-free shampoo before the beer rinse to maximize its effects. Add rosemary leaves to shampoo for hair growth. Rosemary leaves have long been used to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. Adding rosemary to your shampoo helps stimulate hair follicles and increase blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging stronger, healthier hair. In a recent study, rosemary oil was found to be just as effective as minoxidil, the active ingredient in Rogaine, in stimulating hair growth in alopecia patients. To use, simply infuse fresh or dried rosemary leaves into your shampoo and allow it to steep for a few days before regular use. Use coconut oil as a hair mask. Looking for an easy way to deeply nourish your hair? Coconut oil makes an excellent natural hair mask, packed with fatty acids that help moisturize and repair damaged strands. Warm a small amount of coconut oil and apply it evenly from roots to tips. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or leave it on overnight for extra hydration. Afterward, shampoo thoroughly to remove the oil. Your hair will feel softer, shinier, and more manageable. Apple cider vinegar for toning skin. Using apple cider vinegar as a toner is an effective way to balance your skin's pH and control oil. Dilute it with equal parts water and apply to your face with a cotton pad after cleansing. The mild acidity tightens pores, reduces breakouts, and leaves your skin feeling fresh. If you have sensitive skin, consider adding more water for gentler toning. This simple, natural toner is a great addition to any skincare routine for clearer, more balanced skin. Drink aloe vera juice to improve skin and hair health. Did you know that drinking aloe vera juice directly from the plant can help improve both your skin and hair? Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that hydrate the body from within, promoting glowing skin and stronger, healthier hair. Cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, extract the gel, and eat it directly. Taking 1 to 2 tablespoons daily can help soothe skin irritations, reduce dryness, and boost hair growth by nourishing your scalp and follicles. Milk baths for softening skin. Milk baths, though luxurious, can be a natural way to soften your skin. The lactic acid in milk gently exfoliates while its fats deeply hydrate the skin. To enjoy this beauty treatment, add 2 to 4 cups of whole milk to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. Your skin will feel smooth and rejuvenated afterward. For added moisture, you can mix in some honey or olive oil, turning a regular bath into a soothing spa experience. Crushed strawberries for teeth whitening. Strawberries can naturally brighten your smile thanks to their malic acid, which helps remove surface stains. Mash a ripe strawberry into a paste and apply it to your teeth for a few minutes. Afterward, brush your teeth as usual. Use this method once or twice a week for a gentle whitening effect. Be careful not to overdo it, as the acid can erode enamel over time. Baking soda for exfoliation. Baking soda makes an excellent natural exfoliator to slough off dead skin cells. Create a paste by mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a little water and gently rub it in circular motions on damp skin. After massaging, rinse thoroughly. Use this treatment once a week to avoid over-exfoliating and drying out your skin. It's a budget-friendly, easy way to keep your skin smooth and refreshed without the need for harsh scrubs. Pose slightly turned-in photos for better angles. Looking for a more flattering angle in photos? Try turning your body slightly to one side instead of facing the camera directly. This pose highlights your jawline and enhances your natural contours, making your features look more defined. Tilt your head slightly and relax your shoulders to achieve a more relaxed, confident look. A slight turn can make a noticeable difference in how your photos turn out. Ice water for tightening pores. Rubbing your face with ice water helps tighten pores and reduce puffiness. Fill a bowl with cold water and ice cubes, then submerge your face for 10 to 15 seconds. The cold temperature constricts blood vessels, leaving your skin firm and refreshed. This trick is perfect for reducing morning puffiness or preparing your skin before makeup application. For an extra benefit, try using chilled green tea to reduce redness and inflammation. Apply Vaseline to dry lips. Struggling with chapped lips? Vaseline offers a simple and effective remedy to restore moisture. Dab a small amount onto your lips to seal in hydration and protect against further dryness. Its thick consistency forms a barrier that shields lips from wind and cold, making it perfect for harsh weather. Apply it regularly throughout the day to maintain soft, smooth lips, or use it overnight as an intensive lip treatment for faster healing. Mayonnaise as a deep conditioner for hair. Did you know that mayonnaise can act as an intensive deep conditioner? The combination of eggs, vinegar, and oils in mayonnaise provides moisture and nourishment to dry, damaged hair. Apply a generous amount of mayonnaise to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and shampoo. This simple treatment restores shine and softness, leaving your hair smooth and revitalized. Match nail polish to lipstick for a cohesive look. Matching your nail polish to your lipstick is a simple way to create a cohesive, polished appearance. Whether you prefer bold colors or soft neutrals, coordinating these elements adds a touch of sophistication to your look. Choose shades that complement both your makeup and outfit for a balanced style. For an extra touch, consider using a top coat on your nails to enhance shine and extend wear. Tomato slices for sunburn relief. Tomatoes are not just for salads. They can also soothe sunburned skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in tomatoes, especially lycopene, help reduce redness and calm inflammation. Simply place cool tomato slices on the affected areas and leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes. The cooling effect and natural juices help relieve pain and restore moisture to sunburned skin. Powdered milk as a face scrub. Are you looking for a gentle exfoliator? Powdered milk makes for an excellent face scrub, thanks to its lactic acid, which helps remove dead skin cells and brighten the complexion. Mix 2 tablespoons of powdered milk with a little water to create a thick paste, then gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. Rinse with warm water for smooth, soft skin. Aloe vera for skin healing and hydration. Aloe vera is a go-to remedy for healing and hydrating the skin. Its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties make it perfect for soothing burns, cuts, and irritated skin. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the affected area, letting it absorb into the skin. Its cooling effect promotes healing while locking in moisture. Regular use can help keep skin hydrated and healthy, making it an essential ingredient for natural skincare. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.